In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 email templates that can help you scale your affiliate marketing business. I will also give you a few examples which you can download later. As you know, copywriting is one skill that is really important since you will be writing a lot of emails to your potential customers. It's important to know your audience and to adjust your offer to the audience. And I'm going to give you 5 email templates that you can use in your marketing campaigns. The first one is story. This can be your own story, something that happened to you, or something that you saw happen to other people, your friend or family member. The subject line has to be interesting, something that will get the reader to open the email. An opening line is something that the reader can relate to, or you get the reader to start imagine, to be creative, to lead them into a story. You can start with, imagine this for a second. Then you guide them into the story slowly, telling them what happened. And you need to give conclusion to the story. The next type of email is a checklist or tips email. In this email, you're providing a checklist or providing a list of tips. So the way that basically works is like if you're introducing them to a product that is going to help them do something better or achieve a better result. You would actually use this where you are actually giving some tips or things what to do and what not to do. The next email is the question and answer email or the Q&A email. This can work for any product that you are promoting, but it's a good practice to send them at the end of your campaign, those last days when you are promoting something. The way that this email works is you're going to be asking or answering common questions that people have, but you need to reframe or restructure the questions so the answer are always yes. Because you want to get your prospects in the frame of mind of saying yes and shaking their head. And the next type of email is controversy. Those emails get good open rate. First, get your reader's attention with controversy subject line. Then you elaborate the story or real-life example that happens oftentimes. For example, buy a house for $100K and sell it a month later for $500K. But most people want that kind of return. Then you lead them what did you do or what system can actually help them achieve that, which would be your product offer. And the last type of email is popular reference or a pop culture. You mention famous athlete, singer, or actor, or anyone else, and what that person did to be successful. And after you tell the story, then you can lead people and tell them how they can use the same method to be successful. So think of popular movie phrases or songs, things that the average person knows, and then learn how to play it on it and tie it into a story or tie it into the reference of the product or the service that you're offering. You can download the PDF file that is attached to this lecture.